Optimizing task management with Microsoft Project 2013. In today's fast-paced world, good task management is vital. It keeps projects on track and ensures timely delivery. Microsoft Project 2013 has tools to help project managers and teams. They can streamline workflows, focus on tasks, and manage resources. Mastering Microsoft Project 2013 can improve your task management. Effective task scheduling. Leveraging AutoSchedule in Microsoft Project 2013. AutoSchedule in Microsoft Project 2013 is a powerful feature. It helps project managers streamline task scheduling. Task dates shift according to dependencies, durations, and set boundaries. AutoSchedule can help. It cuts manual data entry and scheduling conflicts. This feature keeps your project timeline accurate and up to date. It lets you focus on higher-level project management tasks. AutoSchedule lets you manage complex schedules. Make project adjustments to stay on schedule. Utilizing task dependencies for a seamless project flow. Task dependencies are crucial for a logical sequence of activities in a project. In Microsoft Project 2013, set up task dependencies. This ensures tasks finish in the right order. It prevents delays and bottlenecks. Define relationships between tasks, such as finish to start and start to finish. This will create a project flow that aligns with your goals. Mastering resource allocation for enhanced task efficiency. Efficient resource allocation is key. It optimizes task management. It ensures your project finishes on time and within budget. Microsoft Project 2013 provides tools to divide resources across tasks. These include personnel, equipment, and materials. Assign the right resources to the right tasks. This will maximize productivity. It will also prevent overlocation or underutilization. Tracking task progress with custom fields and reports. Monitoring task progress is vital. It keeps your project on track and helps you make informed decisions. Microsoft Project 2013 has customizable fields and reports. Use them to track KPIs and measure progress against your project plan. The reporting tools in Microsoft Project 2013 let you create reports. They give a clear overview of your project's status. This helps you spot issues early and take action. Mitigating risks with task constraints and deadlines. Task constraints and deadlines are key. They oversee project risks and ensure the achievement of key milestones. In Microsoft Project 2013, you can set task constraints. They define the earliest or latest dates for starting or finishing tasks. It helps you manage dependencies and avoid delays that could impact the project. Also, setting deadlines for tasks lets you track progress. Conclusion. In conclusion, to optimize task management, use Microsoft Project 2013. It has great features, like AutoSchedule, task dependencies, and custom reporting. By mastering these tools, project managers can improve efficiency. They can ensure a smooth project flow and reduce risks. This will lead to successful project outcomes.